Devoted Herbal Special Edition. Devoted Herbal Special Edition is part of Devoted Creations Classic Collection. This black bronzing lotion is formulated to enhance and pH balance the skin for maximum results from any type of light therapy. Deep penetrating instant and long-lasting bronzers make Devoted Herbal Special Edition your best bud for quick, long-lasting results, unmatched by anything on the market. Natural acne combating oils and extracts combined with calming lavender, hemp seed, argan, and coconut oils allow your skin to drift off into a realm of relaxation. Formulated with ginger root extract to open pores and create maximum absorption for this unique, power-packed 1,000 milligrams CBD Isolate Formula. Added hyaluronic acid will maintain the moisture levels of your skin. Devoted Herbal Special Edition is available in a 12.25-ounce bottle and uses an Herbal Fields fragrance.